2015 Chevy Traverse USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2015 Chevy Traverse. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB port right here. Maybe you got some soda spilt in it or it stopped communicating, it's broke. You want to get a plastic pry bar interior tool. I'll link one below to Amazon and Walmart. Also, a small flathead will help out. So what I did is I put my accessories on and I moved the shifter all the way back, put the e-brake on, but that'll give you some room to get to this USB port. Take your plastic pry bar interior tool and come in here and push it between the USB port and the dash. And on the left and right side are the locking tabs. You're going to push this in and then kind of pop it out. And then once you get it out a little bit, you're just going to work your way around and then work on the other side as much as you can. Just work your way around. It should eventually pop out. It's a little stubborn, but as long as you have your plastic interior tool, you won't scratch nothing. Now it has two connectors. The black one has this little button in the middle. You can push that button down and push the connector backwards. There's like no slack on the black one. The gray one does have slack though, but get the black one off first and then you'll be able to pull this out a little bit and have some slack. Don't let them fall back in the center console though. Same thing, gray one, center button, pull it backwards, and then block these so they can't go back in the center console. They want to, so be careful. Here's the USB port right here. The part number is on the side. So it's right here, and on a GM parts dealer website, it looks like the part number brings up this part, but there's another part number for it as well. There's two different part numbers, so when you look it up, you could get, whichever part number you could find. Now they sell these on Amazon. I'll link it below. I'll also link some to other places below, so check that. And once you get your new one, you just unwrap it. And then you just got to plug it in. So basically, plug in the gray connector first. That one's kind of tricky because there's a connector within a connector, so just be patient, get it in perfect. And then once you get that one in, then do the black one. I kind of had to rest the black one up against the center console, then push this onto it. The black one's tough because there's not much slack. You really got to be careful. And then once you get it, you're going to put it in. Make sure the little guide is on top, and then just work it in gently, push it in place. It'll lock, and then that's it. If it doesn't want to go in, kind of back it out and push it in, it'll snap in place, and then that's it. You're all done. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.